Alright, so this is a test of the DJI Osmo in the car, and I'm using an external microphone with it. I've had some mixed results with the external microphone. Yesterday I recorded several traveling vlog entries, and when I checked them today, they were really terrible. They were very low in amplitude. Now I am again checking to see what kind of recording level we have to work with. Now I'm in auto mode, and so that's one factor. So I think I'm going to stop the recording now, and I'm going to manually adjust it to the highest level of recording audio and see what kind of a difference that makes. Alright, this is a test of the Osmo Pocket to see how does it sound when I have manually moved the levels to high as opposed to auto. And so this has been a test of that. This is a test of the Osmo Pocket. I've gone into the manual settings and changed the audio recording level back to auto levels, and I'm recording with an external microphone to find out if it makes a difference at the setting of auto.